This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use framing wall jacks. These powerful tools make raising heavy framed walls much easier and safer. Understanding their basic components, like the base and lifting mechanism, is crucial. Before you begin, always prioritize safety by wearing appropriate gear and checking your work area for any potential hazards, such as power lines or uneven ground. Once you're ready, attach the wall jack's top bracket firmly to the top plate of your framed wall. Next, position the jack's base on a solid, level surface on the floor. It's vital to ensure the jack is plumb and perfectly aligned with the wall you intend to raise. This proper setup prevents twisting and ensures a smooth, controlled lift. Now, begin to operate the jack's lever with smooth, consistent movements. As the wall slowly rises, continuously check its plumb and level using a spirit level. This ensures your wall goes up straight. Once the wall is partially raised, install temporary bracing to hold it securely in place before continuing the lift. This prevents accidental falls and maintains stability. After the wall is fully upright and plumb, secure it permanently to the floor and any adjacent structures. Once everything is fastened, carefully lower and remove your wall jacks. Remember, using quality tools makes a big difference in your project's success and longevity. For other great deals, and to check out some fantastic durable socks with a lifetime warranty, be sure to look at the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.